Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and today we are focusing on this room. In yesterday's video, I showed y'all a portion of me cleaning this room, getting it started for today's big major declutter. I got rid of 8 lawn-size garbage bags. So if you have a room like this that you need to do a major declutter on, this is going to help you so much in motivating you to get it done. I promise y'all, the entire time I was doing this, I was just thinking to myself, things are replaceable, people are not. And I just said it over and over again while I was going through things. That way it made it so much easier for me to get rid of stuff that I have been holding on to and not wanting to get rid of. So I hope this helps. Let's go ahead and jump into today. And if you missed yesterday's video, I'll have it at the end of this video. Alright y'all, so here's what I have to do my decluttering today. I have some regular trash bags for trash. Then I have my towel and the cleaning product that I'm going to use. Just this one. I feel like y'all are getting tired of me saying I'm using this, but I really do. I'm using it every day. And then I have these bags that I'm going to use for donate. That way I don't accidentally donate trash. So 2 different types of trash bags, that way I can tell the difference. And the first thing I'm going to do is, instead of having all of my tops folded, I'm going to take all of this out, put it in the closet. That way I can put all of this into my drawers. That way they're hidden. And I'm going to donate this whole shoe rack, and it's going to make things so much more open in here to get rid of that. So let's get into it.
I can't stop falling for you, babe. You're all
And here's what my closet looks like now that I have all my clothes in it. And I'm going to show you my drawers. They are empty, so I can start filling them up with all of my pants and shorts and pajama pants. And so excited. I only ended up using 2 of the drawers, so I have 2 more drawers that are completely empty. And then I can work on getting the shoe rack out of the room. I told myself, like, hey, this shoe rack was $12. If I really need one in the future, I will be able to get it again. If I was able to get it in the past, what is stopping me from getting it again? So if I had a ton of space, I would keep things, but because I live in a small space, I want to have less things. That way I have more room. So I'm giving up some things, but it's going to give me the freedom of more space, which in the end makes the rooms look larger, which is awesome, isn't it? So I'm just going to get rid of a few more things over here before I can move this shoe rack.
It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your life. It's like I've been walking here for days, lost in the dance, so babe, I cannot forget you.
Wow, what a difference that made, just taking that out. So I've got all of my bottoms, as you saw in here, and I still have 2 empty drawers, which is awesome. And then all of my tops, dresses, nightgowns, sweatshirts, hoodies, all of that, outerwear, everything is in here. So cool. And I still have my Christmas supplies and all that in there, which I'm not going to go through today because I'll just go through them when I pull them out for the season. This all this right here, plus what's in this bin, which is like a bunch of blankets and stuff. This bin and these right here I need to go through. Now this right here is stuff that we need. Let me try to like I don't know what this is, and I don't think we need it, so we'll see what we can get rid of out of that. But there we go. Also our walls are kind of you know, you can't hang up heavy stuff on these walls. So this weighs a lot, so I can't hang it, but I may be able to like put something here on the door and wrap it around. That way it's just a little bit more tidy instead of right there. But now I'm going to flip y'all around and we're gonna do all of this. Oh, also, let me spin you around one more time. We need to go through these two and this, which is a bunch of journals, so we still got a lot to do. Alright, so my plan for this is to take all the bins and put them on the floor and then sit down and go through them that way. That way I'm comfortable, which means I will last longer, and everything is at my reach, so I don't have to go find some things, and I'll bring the bags down also and have one for trash and one for donate, because there's probably going to be a lot of stuff that I need to actually throw away. So, whew, motivated? Let me know. So I used to play with Lincoln Logs as a kid, so I have my own little set, and I do play with it every now and then just for nostalgic reasons. Are there any toys that you played with as a child that you have as an adult to play with just for nostalgic reasons? Let me know down below.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did.
So if you are new here, this is the room that holds all of my craft supplies, my office supplies, stuff that we are not able to put outside in a storage building, seasonal decor, and also my clothing. So this is also the room that I edit in these videos. Right now I'm sitting in it and it is so much cleaner that it feels so good to actually do a voiceover in here for y'all. But I was able to get rid of so much stuff. Like I said, there was things that I was holding on to, like sewing stuff and knitting stuff that I never reach for, y'all. Like, I don't crochet anymore. That was something I enjoyed doing in the past, but I just haven't had any interest in it now. So even though it was kind of hard to part ways with that kind of stuff, I just continued to tell myself through this whole process that the things I'm getting rid of, one, someone else can find joy in using those, and two, I am able to replace these things if I ever do decide to get back into certain things. Also, I am a hoarder of blankets. I have so many, so I got rid of about 5 blankets in here that I really didn't need because I already have a container full of blankets. Does anybody else do this? Like, hoodies and blankets are comfort to me, so I love to just collect them. But being in a small space, sometimes we have to pick and choose what we collect and what we are able to part with. So I know that this isn't easy for everyone. It seems like it's something that could be easy, but some of us have attachments to things, sentimental value, or just things that maybe we took back and then we may want to pick it up again, like crocheting or doing tie-dye shirts or whatever it is that the hobby may be. But it is replaceable. and I want to clear space so that my mind can also be at ease, and I just want to feel comfortable in my environment. And if things are affecting that to where I'm not comfortable, then I will part with the things, because I can get them again one day. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but I know that it's kind of like an affirmation. Like, I may not be able to get it right away, but if I was able to get it in the past, then there really is nothing stopping me from being able to purchase it again one day when I need it. Like, if we really want things, we will have the money and time to invest in those things that we want. So right now, I don't want to invest time in those things, so I'm just gonna let them go. And I'm making room for new things and new feelings. So I'm so excited to show you what the room looks like now. So much more space, so open. I can actually move around and dance in here for y'all, and everything is organized to where I can see it. Y'all, let's chat. So I got one of our space heaters here that we use when it gets cold, another one there, another one there, a lamp. All of this is now my craft supplies. So I have stuff to make soap, candles, this is measuring stuff, tape, and then stationery. This is stuff to make soap. I need new labels. This is stuff also Etsy. These are just extra candles and hand soaps, and then this is all of my packing supplies. And then over here I've got some earrings that I give away for free whenever people purchase from my Etsy or Poshmark. And then in that one I have gardening supplies, and then down there some extra amber spray bottles when I need them. And I got, those are empty candle tins. And then some paint back there that we still have some of, but I'm not using. So over here, all that I have is this tray now that I'll use next spring. And we showed you the clothes. So pants, more pants. I have nothing in that drawer down there, but I did put the extension cord in this drawer just to hide it. So there's some flooring, there's a fan, there's a bunch of printer paper, some tools. Okay, so there's some decor in that bottom one. Then that is canned foods for emergency. Then all of my clothes, more packing supplies, and then extra home decor paint stuff. But y'all, did you see? Okay, so this little table right here I'm going to donate, but the stuff on top of it just needs to go in my bathroom and Aaron's office. All of those, every single one of those is donate. There is probably 8 bags, and those are lawn bags of stuff. This pink one is also donate. That table, like I said. This is trash, and then that is a box of bags that need to go in the kitchen. So this is everything I have listed on Poshmark. It's sealed up in its own container. That way it doesn't get anything on it. You know, like if Chloe comes back here, I like it to stay clean, if that makes sense. So I don't have to worry about finding a flaw or something. Got my little padded envelopes and bubble wrap on the table. I have some of the earrings just on hand that I give away. A printer paper, some bags, thank you cards, a bunch of soaps that are already wrapped up, and I also put these, anything that's inventory I keep in a solid container. That way it stays the way it's supposed to, stays fresh. Okay, and then down there I just have thank you stickers, twine, and tape. So that is it. What do y'all think? This was a task. I wish I could like get further back so y'all could see the whole room in its entirety. But man, was this like, ooh, a mess before. I didn't put that hole there, by the way. I don't know how it got there, but yeah, all of that will be cleared up. But you remember just moving that stand that was over here with all the clothes on it makes me feel so much better. Like, this is now not just my closet, this is a place that I can work. And all of this room, I've never, like, I think I have at one point had this much room to walk around in, but it does not last. For my friends that sell on Poshmark, because I know there's a lot of you, I am just doing it as a hobby, so I'm trying my best to stay with one bucket, and that's why I only kept one IKEA bag. If you sell stuff online, you know what the IKEA bags are for. But yeah, I'm just happy now that I'm able to work in here, and it feels open and just feels good. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I will see you back here in the next video. I think I'm going to take a day off, so you will see me back here on Wednesday for another video, and I will see you then. So bye. I hope you have a great day.